numbers.
Alpha Bravo Charlie, this is Tango Foxtrot, over. Hey, I'm Keenum. We're gonna learn how to read and tell time. Right now, it's 12 o'clock. But if we move the 1 hour hand to point to the 1, it's now 1 o'clock. What about if we move it all the way down here? That's 6 o'clock. And if we go over here to the 9, now it's 9 o'clock. This is the hour hand. This is the minute hand. What? A bonus? Okay, here we go. Here's a bonus. Let's put the minute hand down here and the hour hand pointing to the 3. This means it's 3:30. 3:30. We'll learn more about the minute hand later. With an old-fashioned clock, we look at the shorter hand, which is called the hour hand, and then we look at the longer hand, which is called the minute hand.
Here, let's learn about shapes.
We're gonna learn about time right now. So if you see a clock with the minute hand pointing straight up at the 12 and the hour hand pointing at a different number, that tells you, in this example, it's 4 o'clock. What's going on here, monster truck?
Tic-tac-toe with me. What?
Got a clock. It's going to tick. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I've got a clock and it's pretty cool. It tells me when to go to school. I've got a clock. It's by my bed. It's by my head. What? Tells me when to go. Clocks all day and clocks all night. 60 minutes every hour. Big clocks, little clocks, fast clocks, slow clocks, old clocks, new clocks, wristwatch, car clocks. I've got a clock. It's by my fridge. It's by my stove. Tells me when to go. Here, with the minute hand pointing straight up. If the minute hand is pointing straight up and the hour hand is pointing to the 3, that tells us it's 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Let's move the hour hand down to the 6. Right now, it's 6 o'clock. Let's move the hour hand over to the 9. If you have the minute hand pointing straight up and the hour hand pointing straight over here at 9, that means it's 9 o'clock. Hey, get out of here. Come on, let's do clocks. All right, if we have both the minute and the hour hand pointing straight up, it's 12 o'clock. And if the minute hand slides over here to the 3, then we say it's 12:15. If the minute hand points straight down, it's 12:30. Now, if it points over here at the 9, it's 12:45.
What if the minute hand is pointing to the 3? Well, in this example, we still read the hour. Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's happening? What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Let's try this again. If the minute hand is pointing at the 3 and the hour hand is pointing at the 12, we start with the shorter one first. This means it's 12 o'clock and 15 minutes after. So we would say it's 12:15. 12:15. And if you move the minute hand, you can see where it even says 15 right here. What's this all about? Well, for the minute hand, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. We go from 0 all the way up to 60. Let's count by 5s to see this in action. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And then it starts over because there are 60 minutes in an hour. And when it hits the 12, it just starts back at 0. Let's put the hour hand at the 6 and the minute hand at the 3. Right now, again, we read the hour hand first. This means it's 6:15 because the minute hand is pointing at the 15. 6:15. If the hour hand moves over here, it's 9:15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Okay, let's review. If it's pointing straight up, both the minute hand and the hour hand, then it's 12 o'clock. But if the minute hand slides down over here to the 3, that means it's 12:15. 12:15. Okay, let's drop it down here to the 6. That means it's 12:30. And if it advances over here to the 9, then it's 12:45. And then when it gets back up to the top again, it'll be a whole new hour. It'll be 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, because the hour hand is pointing at 1, and the minute hand is straight up. Now you try. What if the hour hand is pointing at 1, and the minute hand is pointing at the 3? That's right. It's 1:15. See the 15 here? Woo, it's really small. Listen, I want you, speaking of time, if you haven't already, it's about time. Mash that big red subscribe button, and I'll get to see you on the next math video. God bless. All right, now that we're zoomed in, we're gonna look at the hours. Okay, 12 o'clock is when you have the minute hand and the hour hand pointing straight up. Well, what about when the hour hand points at the 1? That's right, it's 1 o'clock. Now, when the hour hand points at the 2, it's 2 o'clock. When the hour hand points at the 3, it's 3 o'clock. When the hour hand points at 4, 4 o'clock.